so we'll be making ice cream today. You'll need 4 simple ingredients. You're gonna need creamer, you're gonna need salt, sugar, and whatever flavor you're gonna make your ice cream. This is a lectin-free recipe, so everything that's gonna be used is lectin-free, or at least lectin light. In this case, all lectin-free. I used like a half and half coconut cream and almond milk, unsweetened chocolate. That'll be added later. I'm using some vanilla extract as well for flavoring. Organic vanilla bean paste, vanilla. I said that kind of funny, didn't I? Yes. And then also some organic cocoa powder as well. 100% unsweetened, both the chocolate bar and the powder. The sugar I use is erythritol. I used monk fruit. As for portions, you're gonna want to use 2 cups of that creamer. You're gonna want about 2 drops of this if you're using like a paste. You're gonna use 1/4 of the cocoa powder and 1/4 of sugar. 1/4 cup of sugar.
Yes.
And then you blend it all together.
Right, let's do this. Nice.
Most of my ingredients are already in here, so.
Whatever you said is in there.
Yeah, like what I mentioned, I've already added. I've added the 2 cups of creamer, the 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of the cocoa powder, about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 pumps of the vanilla bean paste, and now I blend. Oh, 1/8 spoon of salt. I want to make sure I say that. Now, although I did use a creamer that's both coconut cream and almond milk, perfectly fine to use just full-bodied coconut cream. I've done it that way too, and it's delicious. We're just trying different recipes here. And I ended up really liking using this whole half and half portion. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna transfer it to the freezer for a little bit, just so I can get a little bit firm, and then I'm gonna put it in the ice cream maker. Yum yum. Okay, so I have left my ice cream mixture in the freezer for a couple of hours. It will vary depending on what milk you use. Since I use a half and half type mixture, it takes a little longer and the mixture doesn't come out as firm as I would want it, but it still firms up pretty good. If you use just coconut cream, it firms up really nicely, and I definitely recommend it. But for this, I use this half and half. It still will come out like ice cream once you put it in the ice cream maker. So I am ready to pour this in my ice cream maker. We're just gonna go ahead and put it in there. Get all of it. Now I also have shaved like a small bar of chocolate that I showed you in the beginning. I shaved that up and I have that here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add it right now. You can add it a little later once it's, you know, mixing, but I want to add it now. That way I can just kind of leave it turning and making. Put in my piece right there. As you can see, it's thickening up pretty nicely. Once you reach the thickness you want, go ahead and serve. And enjoy your delicious